Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AGON by AOC introduced the new Pro AG346UCD QD-OLED is 175Hz curving gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has announced AGON Pro AG346UCD, a cutting-edge 34-inch curved gaming monitor and its impressive W-OLED and QD-OLED range upper 8 top-tier AGON Pro lineup for gaming enthusiasts, and the new model feature a QD OLED panel, 175Hz refresh rate, UWQHD resolution, and sets a new standard for impressive gaming experience, and in particular with wide, expensive RPG or story-driven games, as well as sim racing, flight simulator, and action-packed titles. So, friend, the monitor comes with 1800 curvature, offering an ultra-wide 21 Gemini aspect ratio and sharp 3440 into 1440 pixel resolution, effectively a wider panoramic version of 27-inch display with the same height. And this combination provides an expansive field of view, perfect for racing simulation, flight simulator, and impressive action games. And it's also great for games play for first-person perspective such as shooter and RPG. And 21 Gemini aspect ratio allow for a wider field of view, and the monitor smooth 175 Hz refresh rate and incredible fast response time up to 0.3 millisecond GTG ensure fluid gameplay and near instantaneous pixel transition, giving gamers a responsive experience in fast-paced scenarios. With a display HDR, True Black 400 certification, and 10-bit color depth, and 1.07 billion colors, and the monitor deliver exceptional visual fluidity, and the monitor's QD-OLED technology provide unparalleled contrast ratio, perfect black and vibrant colors, making is an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts, creative professionals, and streamers alike. Content creator, video editors, and graphic designer will benefit from the monitor's wide color gamut, offering impressive sRGB and cinema-grade DCI-P3 coverage. And the connectivity option include 2 into HDMI 2.0 port, 1 into DisplayPort 1.4, and USB hub with USB 3.2 Generation 1 port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.